do you want to see?
Hello fam, Sylvia here, and in today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to check your hair porosity in just few minutes. In my next video I'm going to be telling you what low porosity, high porosity or medium porosity is, and how you can apply product to the various porosity and ensure healthy hair growth. To check your hair porosity, you just need a glass of water. I am using 2 glasses because I'm going to check mine and my sister's hair porosity at the same time. So guys, to do this, it's advisable to use the hair that is free of all products. So you can take a sample of your hair after washing it, immediately after shampooing it. Just take sample and do this test to get the best result. So I'm just going to drop the hair into the glass of water and wait and see its reaction. So it's either it sinks to the bottom of the glass, or it's hanging like it is in the middle, or it is floating. So let's see what the result is going to be for each hair sample. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos about protective styling, do it yourself hair products and hair growth tips. And also don't forget to hit the like button. Please like and comment to improve the rating of my video. I love you all.
In your face.
Few minutes after dropping the hair samples into the glass of water, guys, look at the results. I waited for about 2 minutes. Look at the results. That's my hair floating. It's floating, guys. My hair is floating. Let's check my sister's hair. At the bottom of the glass. See my sister's hair. Look at my hair floating, and my sister's hair at the bottom. So I want to give you a detailed look. So that is my hair floating on the water like a boat. Guys, look, that's where my hand is. That is the hair floating. Look at my sister's hair at the bottom, meaning my sister has high porosity and I have low porosity. So the way I apply product to my hair, she cannot apply it the same way. I have to do it a lot of heat, and she has to stay away from heat. Don't miss my next video for anything, guys. I'm going to be explaining this into details, what it means to have a low porosity hair and how to apply product to it, and what it means to have a high porosity hair and how to apply water to it. Guys, don't miss my next week video until I see you guys in my next video with more explanation about this video. Bye.